Good morning, you guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I know I have been missing from here for a while, but today is the first day of Vlogmas. I really hope I found like the clapping sound for that part of the video, because if I didn't, that awkward silence is, yeah. But anyways, guys, so I know I'm late. Today is December 2nd and I am pretty late to the Vlogmas trail, I won't lie. Also, don't mind the mess in the background. I'm currently cleaning the shit out of my room. But yeah, I'm back, guys, and I've been missing for like a week and odd, I think. But I'm back for Vlogmas. I'm going to try my best to upload every other day. I'm super excited about it, but I am also very nervous about it because it's gonna push me to better manage my time, make sure I'm on schedule, and be doing all my other things at the same time as vlogging. So that should be interesting. But I'm still super excited about it because I have a lot of things that I want to work on for this December, and vlogging the process will really help me to make sure that I'm doing the things I say I'm gonna do, you know. So yeah, guys, welcome back to my channel. I think that's the first time I've ever said that on here, I think. For today, I have my list of things to do. I've probably gotten through like 2 of those things. I have them all written down, and it's probably like, it's like to 2 right now. It's like probably 1:45 or so in the afternoon. I haven't had breakfast yet, so that's bad. I've already started off this day on a bad note. So there's that. I'm gonna make breakfast now, and yeah, there's a lot I want to talk to you guys about, but I mean, I won't rush the process. I will be vlogging every day for Christmas, but the videos will come out every other day to give my time, like give myself time to edit. But I'll just explain, you know, what's going on with me over the course of December, and kind of just, you know, bring you guys along to everything. So I'm gonna make some breakfast now, and well, it's 1:45. I'm gonna make breakfast anyways, I don't care. I'm gonna make breakfast now. I'm gonna try to keep it as healthy as possible, and yeah. Whole thing just now in my room, and now I have to film it over because it's so overcast right now, so it's hella dark, and my kitchen is hella dark, but this lighting is not too terrible. But I basically said that this vlog was supposed to go out yesterday. Today's Thursday. This vlog was supposed to go out yesterday, December 2nd, to kickstart Vlogmas, but as you can see, I'm doing a very bad job at this. Fell asleep yesterday because honestly, a girl been tired, okay? A girl has been tired. But I'm gonna put this out today, and what I'm gonna do is just show you guys a recap of my month, because I have a lot of footage that I haven't used, and why not just insert them here and kind of see, make you guys kind of see like a recap of what I've been up to Hopefully it all makes sense, or just, you know, makes for a good vlog, hopefully, when I put it together. But I am still packing for my trip this weekend. I leave tomorrow morning. I'm going to Treasure Beach, and when I upload my next vlog, which would be probably on Saturday because it's Thursday, you guys will know where I am because I will post it in the vlog and the title will be there and everything. But yeah, I've just been so stressed and frustrated over this whole weekend, and I just feel like, you know, I should feel the opposite because I'm finally having a proper vacation. Well, I hope I have a proper vacation, and that's the aim of it. It's also my first staycation collab with anywhere, and I really want to do good content and all of that. So I just feel like I've been putting a lot of pressure on myself to do good. So it's just been frustrating me because nothing has been going how I want it to, and nothing is going as planned, you know. So, and at the end of the day, I know it's my fault because one little thing could have prevented this that I should have done a long time ago, and I haven't. So it's just for me to kind of sort that out and make it happen. But yeah, I'm going to Treasure Beach this weekend. I'm excited about it, don't get me wrong. I'm very excited because I've been wanting a vacation for the longest, and I need a vacation. I mean, I know that I won't be able to completely disconnect, but what I will do is you know, still upload, still vlog, and take my content for the place, you know, and try my best to be present in the moment, you know, while I'm there. I feel like I'm gonna take my Instagram content, but I'm not gonna post during my stay because I want to be able to take a break. And I noticed that when I take the content and then post after, I give myself more time to be present, because when you're posting live, it takes so much time, you know, to like curate the content and everything, and I kind of don't want to do that. I want to relax and be present. So the only thing that I'll be doing is vlogging and posting same every other day for Vlogmas. That's it. Everything else I'm gonna take content and whatever, and then when I get back I edit and do whatever and post out. So yeah, I'm trying to enjoy myself. And yeah, that's what I'm up to, guys. I know that this whole vlog has been me just rambling, but the other few vlogs would be better. I'm still packing, as I said before, and kind of just sorting out myself for the weekend. So look forward to the vlogs to come, guys. They'll get better, I promise. And just enjoy this recap of my month. See you guys in the next vlog. Thanks for watching my first Vlogmas.
Dare to love. So tell me what you think.
Hi guys, I'm turning on this because it actually is very low. I haven't vlogged in so long. I really haven't. I don't even know how long, but I know it's been a while because even doing this feels really out of place. I'm also very tired and it's showing on my face. But yeah, this vlog that I'm gonna put out this week is just gonna be it's gonna be like a compilation of everything that I've been up to for probably the past 2 weeks, because I've been vlogging and like catching footage, but I just haven't posted like a completed vlog, mostly because I just haven't had the time to just, you know. But all of that will change soon because we have Vlogmas coming up, and after this vlog you guys will be seeing vlogs. Well, you guys should be seeing vlogs every other day. Let me tell you guys from now, I don't know if we can do it, I don't know, but I really want to give it a try. As a fellow YouTuber Bacana said to me, you know, nothing tried, nothing gained, right? So we're gonna do it. So yeah, we're actually on our way to Hillshire right now to get some fish. This was my mother's idea because I'm actually supposed to be prepping for a YouTube live right now. Audrey, my mother said she want to eat fish, so we're on our way to eat fish.
I'm eating it up here.
Period. Well, you're not eating it here?
What's this car?
Mom, but if y'all go spend time come all the way to Hillshire to sit down and wait for fish for go back home, eat.
Okay.
I don't like that.
Insist.
I don't like that.
You insist, ma'am.
I don't like that.
You don't have to tell me what's the car and you can do a vlog with that.
Ain't nobody wanna see that, but I'm supposed to be going on YouTube live tonight. I should be going on YouTube live tonight. This is the second time I've been trying to go on YouTube live, and the first time it didn't happen because somebody broke my vibes and I just never bother. Roll eyes. But yes, guys, anyways, I'll show you guys when we get to Hillshire what we get, where we get food, and so forth. I have a lot to talk to you guys about, but I will be doing that. I'll save all of that for the vlogs to come with Vlogmas and all of that. Also, my audio quality might be a lot lower in the vlogs to come because I can no longer use my mic, because the mic that I was using, as you guys noticed, especially in my last vlog, that it was like chipping out a lot. So I'm going to try and get it replaced by the company that I bought it from. So until I can get that done, I won't have a mic, and usually the audio quality on my phone is not that great, to be honest. But we're gonna do what we gotta do. I also have a staycation coming up end of this week. Well, sorry, not end of this week. Well, yeah, end of this week. Today's Sunday, so you guys can look out for that too. Like, oh, so many good things coming. So many